Hey, what's good, gang? My name's Jewel, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a Resonite account. Resonite is distributed through Steam, so you're going to need a Steam account and Steam installed to play. Go to the store and search for Resonite. Once you're on the game's store page, just download it from there. Once Resonite is installed, go into your library and find it in your list. Click it and click play. From here, Resonite's going to prompt you for a few different ways to launch the game. If you're going to be playing in desktop mode, you can just select that. If you have a VR headset, I do recommend that you start in VR mode. This is because Resonite supports hot swapping. This means that if you boot in VR, you can swap between desktop mode and VR mode just by pressing a button or just getting into VR. Once you're in the game and loaded in, nothing's going to happen. You're just going to be in a 3D space. From here, you need to open your dashboard. In desktop mode, how you can do this is by pressing escape. If you're in VR and on index, you can do this by pressing either A button on your controller. And if you're on Quest, you can do this by pressing X or A. Once you've got your dashboard open, you're going to be on the home menu. From here, you can go to the top left corner and click login/register. You'll get another menu and you can click register account. Once you get to this screen, it's just going to be the typical account creation stuff. Username, email, password, and date of birth. Go ahead and enter all that data like you would on any account creation form. Now this is the part where I get to shill a little bit. At the bottom of the screen, you're going to see a promo code box. If you use code JEWEL26 during your account creation, you'll get some benefits. What you'll get is 90 days of Resonite's Wanderer tier membership. The Wanderer tier comes with 5 gigabytes of storage instead of the normal 1 that free accounts have. And I just want to make this very fucking clear. I am not sponsored. I do not get money from this. I do not get any benefits from you signing up with this code. This is purely for you. Once you complete account registration, you're going to get an email. It's going to be labeled Verify Resonite Account. Inside of the email is going to be a link. You click the link, you get verified, and then you should start automatically logging into Resonite. Make sure to write down your password, email, username, all that stuff somewhere safe. And yeah, that's it. You've created a Resonite account, you're logged in, and you're ready to play. There's a lot of stuff you can do in Resonite, and it's a really open game. So if you need any help with anything, check out my channel for guides on how to do various tasks. Anyway, that should be everything you need to know about Resonite account creation. I hope this video helped you out. If someone you know needs help setting up a Resonite account, send this video their way. Besides that, have a wonderful day, motherfucker. All right, let's get this shit going.